Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis here at the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Coachmen Apex 265 RBSS. So it's a 26-footer that has a slide out with a rear bath, and it's one of those with the big rear bath. So it's the whole back of the trailer, so you can actually turn around and change inside of it. It's got some counter space around there as well, and it's it's not a real long unit, but it still has a U-shaped dinette and a couch to sit on with the entertainment right across from it, which is what a lot of people are looking for. There's a bunch of stuff I'll show you inside. Follow me. In the back, you have the rear bath, so a ton of counter space around there. You have a nice big shower with the glass enclosure, with a big, huge opening with a large sliding door. Right when you walk into the living area, you have a couch that folds out to a hide-a-bed. Then you also have that right across the street from your TV. It's about a 40-inch TV with a pull-out swivel bracket that you can turn either to the couch or to the dinette area. At the dinette area, that's your extra bed as well, another extra bed. It's a U-shaped dinette. You got a nice size fridge. You have a very open area in the kitchen with a lot of counter space. They switched to the stainless steel sink this year as well, which has always been nice. It's a nice big solid sink with a counter extension as well. And the bedroom area has an extra wide opening as well in there with a big sliding door. You have a walk-around queen bed with the front window, so a lot of natural light gets let in, but it's also able to be blocked off. You have closets on each side of the bed as well as plugs and USB ports. There's a whole bunch more stuff on this unit I want to show you. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis from Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you later.